asking me what I make my flip notes on, and I always make them right here on my Nintendo 2DS XL using Flipnote Studio from like 2008. When I start a flip note, I usually go ahead and make as many pages as I think I'm gonna need. For this one, I'd say about maybe 300, which comes out to about 15 seconds. This flip note's gonna be about a guy in his car listening to the radio. I don't want to spoil the joke yet, but we're gonna go ahead and draw like the inside of a car. Got our 2 seats, got a mirror and some windows added in there. Can't forget the steering wheel. Alright, we got the basic outline. I'm gonna go ahead and shade everything in now. In this case, the animation takes place entirely from within the car, so I don't need to change the background. I'm just going to copy this to all 300 frames. Now, I'm not going to say who, but certain animators like to do their animation before their sound. I like to do my sound before my animation, especially on something like this where audio cues are going to tell me when to switch up the pose or the information on the screen. So we're gonna work on recording the audio. Alright, let's see what's on the radio today. You're listening to Corn Dog Radio. This might be the worst thing I've ever made. So I'm gonna redraw this guy, exact same pose on a second frame. I'm going to alternate between frames 1 and 2. I'm going to copy and paste them down the line, and then we'll have like this kind of jittery expression. Now we have a little jittery guy. So we're going to copy, and there we go. The same process applies for all the other poses. I just redraw the stickman again, and I have to make sure I erase the background so his head is like this. Alright, after about 20 minutes of animating later, I got my finished product. Here we go. This is the new format of video I'm trying out. Tune in next week and I'll show you how I export these bad boys. See you guys later.